beauty out of brokenness and hope to our heartache, leading out of every hurt that invades our shattered world. We never walk through trials in vain. He's the Redeemer of the range. Every problem that we face, sifted by the Father through hands of grace, using sorrow to draw us, to call us closer to His side. It's in the middle of the storm we learn to trust that He is always watching over us. Redeemer of the rain, the Lord will never waste our pain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope to our heartache, healing out of every hurt that invades our shattered world. We never walk through trials in vain. It's the Redeemer of the rain. Dark days we walk through, they live out for others, leading them to the Redeemer of the rain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope to our hearts.